Hello children, welcome Blast from the Past. Here we are discussing a previous year JEE advanced question. It's from complex numbers. Let the complex numbers alpha and 1 by alpha bar lie on two circles. This is a circle with radius r and this is another circle with radius 2r. Both are having same center x0 plus iy0 because since the two circles are concentric, and you are given a condition connecting Z0 and R. I am drawing the figure like this. First you draw a circle x minus x0, the other circle concentric. Then the origin, you take the origin as a point outside the two circles. It is not necessary. I am taking the point origin outside. It is not necessary. From the figure, from the data, you are not sure whether the origin lies inside or outside. But without loss of generality, we can assume the origin is outside, because whether it is inside or outside, it makes no difference in the concept. But take the point x0. Only to make the figure more legible, you take the point origin as outside. Now, there is one more catch of this question. Origin alpha and 1 by alpha bar are collinear points. Why they are collinear points? Origin alpha and 1 by alpha bar are collinear points. Why they are collinear points? You just multiply this with alpha. This is alpha. What is alpha into alpha bar? It is mod alpha square, right? But this is mod alpha square. Mod alpha square is k. But 0, alpha, k alpha. You know 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 are collinear points. If you multiply a point with a scalar, you get another point which is lying on the same straight line, linear. Therefore, these 3 points will be always collinear. That is a catch of this figure. 0, alpha, 1 by alpha bar will be collinear. Therefore, you construct a figure like this. This is R, this is 1, 2R, and you consider two triangles. What are the two triangles here? One triangle is this. This is OAC. This is one triangle. And the other triangle is OCB. The two triangles. From these two triangles, you take first triangle and using cosine formula take cos theta. You take the second triangle, again cos theta. You simplify it, you get the value of, use the condition, mod z0 square is equal to 2, mod z0 square is equal to r square plus 2, you get the value of alpha. That's only the idea. But there is some calculation involved in that question. Hence, the question is little bit tricky, right? Therefore, you just understand that this figure, from this figure you take cos theta, from this triangle also we take cos theta. Now what is cos theta? You know cosine formula. If whenever you have a triangle like this, ABC is a triangle, what is cosine rule? This is A, this is B, this is C. Now what is cos B? Cos B is adjacent side square sum, A square plus C square, minus opposite side square divided by 2AC. This is what we call cosine formula. Now use cosine formula in this triangle, cosine formula in that bigger triangle. You use cosine formula for OAC, you use cosine formula for OBC. But if you use these two formulas, in this triangle as well as this triangle, you get two results. Left side is cos theta, you can equate the right side. Now what is OA square? OA square is, you know OA is distance from origin to alpha. It is mod alpha square. What is OC? Distance from origin to C. Origin to C means the point C is Z0. Therefore, origin to C is distance. It is mod Z0 square. Minus AC square. AC square is this length. The radius of the smaller circle. That is R square. Divided by 2 into mod alpha into mod Z0. It is equal to OB square. What is OB square? It is radius of the bigger circle. It is OB square. No, OB square is this. OB square is this length. OB square is 1 by mod alpha square. What is mod alpha bar? Mod alpha bar is alpha itself. Mod alpha itself. It is mod alpha square plus OC square. OB is distance from origin to 1 by alpha bar. Distance is 1 by alpha bar mod. Alpha bar mod is mod alpha itself. Plus OC square. OC square is again mod C square. Mod Z square. Minus BC square. BC square is the radius. OB. BC is this. BC square is this length. It is 4R, right? 4r square. Divided by twice OB. OB is 1 by mod alpha into OC. It is mod Z. Mod Z naught. Mod Z naught. Mod Z naught. Now you can cancel 2, 2, 2, 2, mod Z naught, right? Then you use this result. You have a result 2 Z naught square is equal to R square plus 2. Therefore, you have to find the value of mod alpha, but you just multiply this with 2. 2, 2, 2R square. This is 2, 2, 2. It is 8R square. And you can write 2 mod Z square. This can be taken as R square plus 2. And this is again R square plus 2. Now, if you simplify this, what do you get? 2 mod alpha square plus 2 minus R square divided by mod alpha. Divided by mod alpha. Divided by mod alpha, you can cross multiply into 1 by mod alpha will be equal to mod alpha into, you are cross multiplying also, into 2 by mod alpha square. This is R square plus 2. This is minus 7. This is 8R square, right? 4 to 8. This is minus 7R square, right? Minus 7R square. 4 into 2, 8. It is R square minus 8 is minus 7R square, right? Now you multiply throughout by alpha, you get 2 mod alpha plus 2 by mod alpha minus R square by mod alpha is equal to, you multiply, it is 2 by mod alpha plus 2 mod alpha minus 7R square mod alpha. You can cancel 2 by mod alpha on both sides. It is 2 alpha can be cancelled. 2 alpha can be cancelled. R square can be cancelled. Therefore, 1 by 1 is equal to 7 mod alpha square, or mod alpha square equals 1 by 7, or alpha equals 1, mod alpha equals 1 by root 7. That's the answer. 1 by root 7 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is, if you can draw the figure, it's very easy question, but slightly lengthy. Okay, still it is a very important question for the concept can repeat. Thank you.